Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to look good in a basic white t-shirt and blue jeans. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with this basic white t-shirt. Right now I have on a regular crew neck, but just in case if you want to look slimmer, I would definitely recommend that you go with a V-neck shirt. V-neck shirts make you look slimmer because they come down, shows your clavicle, which helps you to look slimmer. When you have a shirt that's crew neck like this, as you can see, my shoulders end up looking broader and bigger. But I'm gonna use this crew neck shirt for today. The second thing you wanna do is just throw on a blazer. Blazers are my go-to thing. Look at how this blazer immediately transformed this basic white t-shirt and blue jeans into a nice looking outfit. The third thing you want to do is you can either copy a t-shirt and do this, or you can just wear this regular t-shirt and throw on a bold belt. And look at how it instantly has changed our outfit. The fourth thing you can do to look good with just a basic white t-shirt and blue jeans is throw on some heels. Throwing on some heels, as you can see, can help our outfit look dressier. If you want a more chic look, then you can throw on some sneakers. If you don't want a chic look and you want a more casual vibe, then throw on some boots. Just by changing out those three different kinds of shoes, you will look good with whichever vibe you're going for. Sorry guys, here's where I realized that I deleted this footage, but tip number 7 is adding a jean jacket. Jean jackets pair very well with a basic white t-shirt and blue or even black jeans. Another thing you can do to look good in a basic white t-shirt and some blue jeans is just throw on a red lip. The bold color will just make your outfit look more vibrant and less basic. The ninth thing you can do to look good in just a basic white t-shirt and blue jeans is throw your hair in a bun like I just did. Just try not to get makeup on your white t-shirt like I just did. 10th and final way you can look good with just a basic white t-shirt and blue jeans is not forgetting to accessorize. You can use just a watch, pair your watch with some bangles, or just use some bracelets. These are just some Alex and Annie bracelets that I just mixed. And there you have it. 10 ways to look good with just a basic white t-shirt and blue jeans. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Please check out my other videos and subscribe. Until next time.